Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek, and in today's guide video I will simply show you how you can block YouTube channels. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. How to block YouTube channels on Android. Hi everybody, so in this tutorial video I will show you how you can block YouTube channels on Android. Now if you have the YouTube Kids application, you can do this process very simply by tapping on the three dots and then selecting block user. But unfortunately on the stock YouTube app which you have, the process is a little bit different. So I will show you two ways, basically whether you want to not get recommended contents from that channel or whether you simply want to block that channel from commenting on your videos and so on. So in order to do that, you could go ahead and first of all open up the YouTube app, and the very first thing you can do is you can actually browse through videos of the channel which you don't want to get recommended in the future. So let's say right over here I select this channel. What I will do is tap on the three dots which you see right over here. So go ahead and then tap on the three dots. As you tap on three dots, you can see this option which says don't recommend channel, and this is basically the first way, the alternative solution to block it. What this will do is that the channel will not be recommended to you on YouTube ever, but if you search for them they will simply appear. The other thing you could do is, if I go ahead and then simply select that channel name, and if I go to the channel page, let's say for example, once I go to the channel page and if I tap on the three dot which you see on the top right corner, you can see this option which says block user. So what you can do is tap on block user button. As you tap on block user, you can see it says blocking this user will prevent them from commenting on videos you've uploaded. Now instead of you searching for them and them not coming up on the list, what you can instead prevent them from blocking is that you can actually prevent them from commenting on videos you have ever uploaded, and you can basically tap on the block button in order to block them. So this is basically the process on how you can block it on the YouTube app. Just these two methods. If you want to undo it, tap on the undo button directly. Hopefully this would have helped solve the issue. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.